Here we go, we're doing the next section of the concreting. Charlie got all that cement up the other week. Got the bars down. This is the compressor thing that they hire to run that bar across. So they're coming in later today to do this section. You can only do a section at a time. You can't do it all in one hit because you've got to have expansion joints and stuff. So yeah, I don't know whether I'll capture them doing any of this. I mean, I've got so much to do now. Might just look at the end. But you've seen it already when they did it first time around, so that's alright. At Titherington, I've just had a delivery of concrete in, and I need another 6 cubic meters delivered. It was on a turnaround or whatever you call it. So well, it's not on account, it's a cash sale. Well, it was through Gaps. Hang on a second. Okay, so we're on the final hurdle with the concrete. Charlie's pulled out the last of the concrete that was knackered here. A big piece. There's a bit that's got to come out of there, a little broken bit, but not much. And it's got the mesh in here. Mesh and the membranes down. So this is all looking good. Oh, right. Let's see if I can get my pipe back in there. As he crushed that up a bit. But yeah, all right. Okay, so you can see behind me the loaders arrived. They're about to pour the concrete behind in there. I've got to get off and finish on the milking. I'm trying to do this and try and do all the other jobs because it's early in the morning. First loads always come in early and then they've got plenty of time to crack on. So I'm just going to see them. They're just doing that. But I'm going to have to leave that. Hopefully I'll catch them again when they do the next bit. I just catch the first pour.
I just realised you didn't have that recording then, so what do? You did? So how many metres did you do with that?
3,000.
3,000 metres of concrete with that? Blimey. It just gives it a nice good finish.
It was 15 then, we did 1,000 then.
Yeah. Right.
In there, Dean, please.
Here we go, it's just a little update on the yard. So we actually are nearly finished. Well, the boys are really. I've done a little bit of running around with bits of concrete and stuff. We had a couple of cubic metres left over, which they charged something like 150 quid or 140 quid to take it back a ton. So I have to dispose of that around the farm, found a few gaps and holes for it. They're now just finishing off that bit. They're loading up, washing down, and nearly done. So I hope you like seeing this video. You might wonder why we did the yards. Well, because I was grant funded for this under capture sensitive farming, it made sense to do the yards. He's shouting at me now. Look, he wants more work done. I've got to move the tractor. That's Charlie the boss. Look at him. There, look, he's washing away, old scrubber man Charlie there. Anyway, so I'm going to crack on now and we'll have a very final look when we finish. So there we have it. That's the last of the concreting. Got a electric fence around this bit because I don't want the cattle to walk on this piece while it's drying. And you can see on through there, we didn't do every single bit because no point in changing concrete, is okay. But you can see on there, the new bits there, blending in with the other new bits. And a piece down here, the other bit down there has got a bit of muck on it. But we've had a lot of concrete done now. So it'll all help with grant funding. Good job done, I think. And pleased to get back to work now and do other things because it does take a lot of time even with other help doing it.